Hey guys, I got a video, oh my god, explaining how to take 2 points and find the slope. Now as she's talking, I'll try to interrupt because her voice doesn't sound as good as mine. Oh yeah. And I will explain as she goes. She does a good job though. Here we go.
Let's find the slope of the line that passes through the points 0, -2 and 3, 4. Well, if we're given 2 points and asked to find the slope of the line that passes through those points, the first thing we need to do is label the coordinates of each point. Remember, a point is an ordered pair, and it goes x, y. So we have an x and a y and an x and a y. So let's label them. Here, we'll have an x sub 1. And here, we'll have a y sub 1. Here, we'll have x sub 2. And here, we'll have y sub 2.
All right, I just want to stop real quick. So the first set of coordinates, those are the ones. The second set, those are the twos. That's all she's saying is it's always x and y, but these are all your ones, these are all your twos. Simple.
Now we could have picked these to be the twos and these to be the ones, and we would get the same answer. The only thing we cannot do is have a 1 and a 2 in each ordered pair. So we cannot have a 1 and a 2 or a 2 and a 1.
So pick whichever one you want and make sure they're all ones in that set and all twos in the other set. Don't accidentally combine them.
That won't work. So we'll leave it like this. Now that we've labeled our coordinates, let's recall one of the formulas for the slope of a line. The slope of a line is equal to the change in y over the change in x.
Get that one. All right, so she's about to tell you, but y, remember y on the graph is up and down, which we call that also rise. So she's got rise on top. X is left and right. That's your run. So she's really just saying rise over run. But we're now going to take it with these, and we can use the y's and the x's to talk about. Use the y's to find the rise. The y's to find the rise. That sounds weird. And the x to find the run.
Or y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1.
That's all you got to know for today. If you get that part figured out, what she just drew, and you know how to put them in, it's going to be super easy. These are your twos. 2 is always in front, minus the ones are always second. Y's have to be on top, right? Because y represents the rise. Rise is up and down, so that's why y is on top, and x is on bottom because it's run. So if I took, she's going to show you, but if I took this 2, which is 4, minus the 1, which is -2. So 4 minus -2, that'll give me my rise. And then x2, which is 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. So there I'll have my slope. And she'll answer that, but it just won't be so awesome as what I just did.
So to find the slope of this line, all we need to do is plug in our coordinates and solve.
That's what I said.
So first we need to find y sub 2. Well, y sub 2 is 4. So we have 4, and then we copy down our subtraction and find y sub 1. Y sub 1 is -2. So we have -2. Now we find x sub 2. X sub 2 is 3.
Said that.
Copy down our subtraction sign, and we find x1. X sub 1 is 0. Now all we need to do is simplify. 4 minus a -2 becomes 6, and 3 minus 0 is 3. 6 over 3 simplifies to 2. Now we have our answer. If a line passes through the points 0, -2 and 3, 4, then it has a slope of 2.
Now you could answer 2 types of questions with knowing that. I could give you a graph with 2 dots. You'll find those coordinates, and then you'll use y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Use those 2 points. It doesn't matter which ones you choose to be the 1 and the 2, as long as you keep those as the ones and those as the 2, or 2 and the 1. Doesn't matter which order, she said. Or the opposite could be, I give you a problem where I already give you the coordinates. Now all you have to do is y2 minus y1. Same thing, just I gave you the coordinates, or I gave you a graph, and you got to now find the coordinates and then solve it. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. If it doesn't, watch it again 6 times. And then if it still doesn't help, go ahead and watch it 6 more times. Or let me know if you need help. Good luck, guys.